Hey, welcome back to Cover That Roof. We're in Redondo Beach, California, and once again we're trying to replace some of these pipe flashings. So you can see we got another flashing over here that has a rubber flange. We want to take it out and put the proper pipe flashing back in. We want to put a flashing like this. So the first step is we need to take out a few rows of shingles above the pipe flashing so we can properly fit this one in. So to get this one in right here, we need to take out at least 3 rows of shingles to get this properly put in. So let's do it. So what you're going to need is, we're going to need this flat bar. So we want to get underneath the shingle. We pop the nails out. Now this should slide out. Okay, came out pretty nice. Now we want to remove the rest of these shingles right here. Came out pretty nice. Want to keep doing the same thing. Okay, so now we just want to continue the process, take out a few more shingles over here. So we'll get back to you in a bit when we get the rest of the shingles taken out. Hey, welcome back to Cover That Roof. Okay, so you can see we got the shingles removed from above the pipe flashing. Now we need to get the pipe flashing off and stick our 1.5 inch galvanized pipe flashing on in its place. So let's see how we do it. Okay, it's got that removed. Good. Okay, now that we got the pipe flashing on, we want to get it pinned in, and then we want to put a piece of peel and stick. We want to put a piece of peel and stick paper on top of the flashing and slide it underneath the base paper. On this one, it worked out perfectly because that's where they overlap the base paper, or that's where they stagger the base paper. So it's going to slide underneath the base paper pretty nice to make it really easy for us to put the peel and stick underneath. So let's see how we do it. First thing we want to do is get this thing pinned in, put the peel and stick down, fill the nail holes in the base paper, exposed with nails, and then come back with a shingle and fill it in. It should be pretty easy, so here's how we do it. Okay, when you're nailing in the flashing, you always want to start from the top first. Start from the middle and then work your way out to the sides. Okay, it's all nice. Now we want to fill in the nail holes. Okay, now that we got that all tacked in, got this thing all waterproof, now we want to come back and start installing the shingles. Hey, welcome back to Covered Roof. Okay, so now that we got the galvanized pipe flashing on, got the peel and stick behind the pipe flashing, got all the nails back into the nail holes of the paper, now we want to come back and fill in the shingles to get them back into place so it looks like it's a roof again. So we've already made our pre-cut on the shingle for the pipe flashing, so make it fit nice and smoothly. So let's start installing the shingles and get it all filled in, and we'll see how we patch that in. Now remember, when you're nailing in the shingles, you always want to use at least 5 nails. Certain areas for the code it's going to say 4, 5, or 6 nails, but for this area in California, we typically like to put 5 nails per shingle. And we like to get them right above the white line on the shingle. So that's where there's a double mat of material on the asphalt shingle. We always know that it's there. So that's a good spot for us to nail it off. So let's start doing it. Let's get it tinned in so we can get this job all wrapped up. Okay, I got both of these put in first because we had 2 rows and I wanted to make sure that the rows were going to be straight. So let's take a look and see how it looks. Not bad. That looks like it's all, not bad. That looks like it's all straight with the rest of the row. So let's get this row all nailed off. Once again, we got to pick up this tab, but we'll start it off, nail it in, pick it up, nail. Hey, welcome back. Okay, so we have one last shingle. We got to get it into place. Got to slip it under. Okay, so when you do the flashing, when you get the new flashing on, you got to make sure that you seal the collar with some rubberized caulking. As you can see, we got it sealed right here. And when you tack it down, you have to put caulking on the nail holes as well. And now we're going to come back and paint it like this one over here. You can tell it's all painted, looks nice. So here's the flashing that we ripped out. There's a new one that we put back into place. So everything's coming out nice. Let's take a look at the rest of the roof and see how everything is. Hey, welcome back to Cover That Roof. I hope you enjoyed this episode on how to replace the pipe flashing. It's pretty basic. You just got to remember you have to remove the asphalt shingles above the flashing. Make sure you tear out the old pipe flashing, put a brand new one in. Make sure you get a piece of paper behind the pipe flashing, either a piece of peel and stick, or you can just use a regular piece of 30-pound organic base paper, or you can use a piece of modified base paper that you would use for a tile roof. And always remember to fill in the nail holes with a nail, and everything looks good. Get your shingles put back in the same place, in the same order as you removed them, and everything looks tight. On this, you can see everything came out perfect. We're pretty excited about this. We know this pipe flashing is watertight, and the customer is going to be able to sleep well tonight knowing that all the pipe flashings, and you know the customer is going to be able to sleep well tonight knowing that all the pipe flashings are fixed right and they're correct. So, hope you enjoyed this episode to Cover That Roof on how to replace a pipe flashing. Look for us in our next up and coming episodes to Cover That Roof, showing you different how-to videos of how to correct or fix your roof. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, hit like and subscribe, and look for us on our next upcoming episodes. Until then, we'll see you later. Signing out from Cover That Roof. Until next time, see you in a bit.